So on Instagram we spoke about a really difficult tongue twister for non-natives with words beginning with the TH sound, the th sound. So if you want to see my Instagram, it is British English accent. Have you thoroughly thought this through though? Again, let's try this tongue twister. Have you thoroughly thought this through though? Have you thoroughly thought this through though? Can you say this again? All by yourself. Have you thoroughly thought this through though? It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Let's go through the first word here that begins with TH. Thoroughly. Thoroughly means accurately completed, and it's pronounced like this: th-r-u-h-Lee. The th sound is a slight strong sound of the TH, with the tongue going between the teeth and blowing a little bit of air with the sound together. Th, 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 and then r, and then lee, lee. For example, have you done your homework thoroughly? Have you done your homework thoroughly? Another example, I'm not sure if I should take this COVID vaccine. Has it been tested thoroughly? It means, has it been tested properly end to end? Okay, let's now move on. Let's move on to the next word, thought. Thought means the action or process of thinking, but in the past. It could be like an idea, for example. It's pronounced like this: th, and then a or sound, and then t. It's thought, thought, thought. Let's try this together. The tongue out, th, and then or, and then t. Thought. For example, have you thought about going on holiday yet? Or it can be used when you are thinking about something really deeply. For example, I sat in deep thought after I lost my father. Or I sat in deep thought after all the people in Turkey had passed away. Let's move on now. Let's move on to the next word that begins with TH. That's this. This, which is a short I and a short S. This. For example, this isn't good enough. You need to work harder. This. Let's say it together. This. This. It is not this. It is this. Again, soft th. Let's go through through. Through. It's TH again, th, and then with the r together with it. Through. Through. It is not through with a strong R. It's just through. Through. Let's say it together. Through. 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 Let's now go on to the next word. For example, through. An example would be walk through the aisle, walk down the aisle, or walk through the aisle. It means that you're going to start from one place and then go to another. Through. Or you can say, for example, I need to think this through. I need to think this through before making up my mind. It means I need to think really carefully. What about though? How is this pronounced? It means but it's usually at the end of the sentence. Though. Though. This time the TH is even lighter through the teeth. Okay, so it's a really soft th sound. Though. It sounds like a THOW. Though. Can you say it together? Though. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and it's helped you pronounce the TH words, and then do try this tongue twister at home. Please don't forget to hit the bell button to hear more pronunciation, more examples of all of these words, and more to come. Thank you for watching.